Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can create a lobby and check your lobby ID inside of Monster Hunter WAS, okay? And this is going to be very useful if you want to create a lobby and you want your friends or other people to join, okay? So let's go to start game. And now you want to select the game that you want to start, which in my case is just this one, is the first one. And now you usually want to click on private lobby, but you can also do online single player. Okay, but I strongly recommend that you do private lobby, or you can also search for a lobby that your friend might have started. Okay, let's go for a private lobby here. Let's click on yes. And now this is going to take a few seconds to load. And once this loads, what we actually want to make sure is that we get our lobby ID so we can send it to a friend. Okay, that's what we want to do via message or via something else. Okay. So now you want to click on escape to get to your menu, and now you want to basically go to your communication tab, and you want to click on link party, and you want to go to invite to link party. Okay, and here you're gonna have a list of your friends as I show you in previous tutorials, but what we want to know actually is the lobby ID, which is to the right here. You can see lobby ID 374 FN4, so on, so on, so on. Okay, so this is what you're going to be able to actually copy paste to your friend. Actually, not copy paste because there's no copy paste function. Thank you so much.